Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your router to the NBN box. First, identify your NBN connection type, as this determines the specific setup. Locate your NBN connection box and a nearby power outlet. Ensure you have the correct router and all necessary cables ready. Remember to power off all equipment before you begin any connections to ensure safety and prevent issues. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to the NBN connection box's data port. Plug the other end into the WAN port on your router. This port is often labeled WAN or Internet and is usually a different color. Next, connect the power adapters to both your NBN box and your router, then plug them into the power outlets. With the cables connected, it's time to power up. Turn on the NBN connection box first, then wait about 1 minute for its indicator lights to stabilize. After that, power on your router and allow another 2 to 3 minutes for it to boot up. You can then connect a computer to the router using an Ethernet cable or by joining its default Wi-Fi network to access the setup page. Once you're on the router's setup page, you'll need to enter your NBN provider's specific connection details, such as your username and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your Wi-Fi network, choosing a strong name and password. After saving these settings, test your internet connection on several devices. If you encounter any persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact your NBN service provider for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.